Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple developer unknown error. Try again on iPhone. So, first step you're gonna do is check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. So, you're gonna try another credit card or yeah. So, disable Wi-Fi and use cellular. It's better to use cellular data. It might fix the issue. Another thing you can try is delete derived data. If you're experiencing issue with Xcode app development, try deleting derived data and restarting your phone. This might resolve some issues, and also you can update Xcode. Make sure you are running the latest version of Xcode. This might resolve issues too. Verify trusted phone number. If you have multiple Apple IDs with a trusted phone numbers, ensure each account has a unique trusted phone number. Having multiple trusted phone numbers in the same account might cause this error. So restart your iPhone and try again. So, as additional tips, you can also try resetting your iPhone's network settings by going to settings, general, then scrolling all the way down on reset, and then reset network settings. Or also performing the FU device firmware update. You can do that by restoring in iTunes. You can find it on YouTube, of course. And if that still does not work, you can go and contact Apple for further assistance.